my field of advocacy is more on environmental related advocacies. So somehow it's unique because more on the legal basis. I propose an ordinances in our municipalities. I propose 3 ordinances which is entitled mandating all the graduating students, both in senior high school and collegiate, to plant mangrove before they graduate or prior their graduation. And of course, the representation or the strengthening of representation of the youth and disaster risk reduction and management, and the ecological solid waste management of our municipality. So whatever happens, either we awarded or not, we still hope and believe that we will continue our advocacy.
My advocacy po is inclusive education, culturally responsive and culture-based education, because as of now po, I am a Jesuit Volunteers Philippines, a JVP volunteer assigned at Kasiguran Aurora. So I am in non-formal education sector. So I organize communities, I capacitate them, and empower the 3 sectors in Kasiguran Aurora in against a land grabber aggressor, APECO specifically. So and that's my advocacy. I capacitate fisher folks, farmers, and indigenous peoples, Agta Dumagat tribe, and I help them, uplift them in their individual livelihood communities through inclusive education and culturally context and culture-based inclusive education. So for the youth there, every one of you has the capacity to capacity for change, make a difference in your own little ways. And yun po, maraming salamat po sa Go Negosyo, sa TOSP, 10 outstanding students of the Philippines
All the
Search.
sponsors, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat.
To the youth, don't think that TOSP is an award-giving body, but think this as an opportunity to give back to our own community. Give back in our own little way, na kung ano man yung gusto nating ibigay sa community natin at matulungan natin yung ibang tao na talagang nangangailangan, gawin po natin sa ating makakaya.
You can make a change in your own little ways, because nation building is not overnight. You can make really a positive difference in your own little ways.